Department of Energy yung kontrata ng dati niyang kumpanya. Kasi nga, walang nagagawa after years at billions of pesos poured into the company. Kumbaga, bilyones na nga ang nilagay sa iyo tapos wala ka pang, or at the very least, halos katiting lang ang na-complete mo. Halos katiting lang ang na-complete mong mga proyekto. Yung thousands of megawatts, actually, just, a few megawatts lang ang nanggawa. So, maganda sana yung gagawin niyang renewable energy for the future kuno. Pero hindi eh. Naging vehicle lang niya yan para yumaman lalo. Tapos, ginamit niya pa yung political patronage ng nanay niya. Kumbaga, bigating senador yung nanay mo. Kaya, kumita ka.
Shockwaves hit the Philippine renewable energy sector as the Department of Energy terminates 84 contracts for non-performance, including major projects by SP New Energy Corporation. The move comes just about 2 months after Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Liviste sold billions in SP and EC shares to Meralco, fueling speculations he's cashing out ahead of contract terminations. The same day of the DOE announcement, Liviste also dropped so-called Cabral files on social media, claiming a crusade against corruption, but critics say the timing looks like a panic management.
Are you really a self-made billionaire if you used your connections? Isa kang political crony. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. That is crony capitalism. And okay lang siguro sana kung bilyonaryo ka. And at the very least, sabihin ko sa'yo, dapat wala talagang bilyonaryo. Pero that's besides the point. Sige, ethical billionaire ka. Pero hindi eh. Hindi mo naman ginawa yon sa sarili mong kamay. Hindi mo naman ginawa yon from the ground up kasi tinulungan ka ng nanay mo magkaroon ng prangkisa. Tapos yung mga connection nyo sa industriya, anong nangyari? Naging bilyonaryo ka bigla-bigla.
We will exhaust all the possible legal remedies na para ma-stop yung operation ng solar para sa bayan.
It was granted super franchise, that's what we call them, super franchise, yung generation, transmission, distribution, supply. Biro mo, in one, kumbaga, sama-sama sa isa. Kami, being the distribution utilities, doon lang kami. But sa Solar Bayan, sinakop nilang lahat. Yes, we've been praying for that. Sana mabito at para mapag-aralan natin husto at this time sana ma-involve kami. Kasi for the longest